Well, as a chef, you know that my business is hunger, right? When I talk to marketers and they ask me who my target audience is, it's an easy answer. Anyone who eats, which is everyone. Before I went to culinary school, as you've heard, I had a 20-plus year career in corporate America, primarily doing training and development and then sales. And then in 2009, I sold my house, put everything in storage, and enrolled in culinary school. My parents thought I had flipped my lid. I graduated at the top of my class. Thank you very much. While most of my friends were planning for retirement, I was reinventing my career and my life. Over the last 2 years, we have put 10,000 people, the population of a small American city, through our cooking classes. And we have taught classes on every continent except Antarctica, but my fingers are still crossed for that one. One day, I want to get to Antarctica. You know what else is transformed of cooking and eating? It's you. And it's also those with whom you share the table. You are transformed, and so are your family and your friends. Now, what about work? How does work play into this whole thing? Well, it begins with the understanding that the words company and companion share the same two root words. The word company simply means those who break bread together. So think of your company like a pizza. Each and every individual is an ingredient who is unique and necessary and provides components that comprise your service, your product, and ultimately your customers' happy experience with your organization. It can't be duplicated. I always make a sauce from scratch. So it's tomatoes and onions and garlic, always garlic, cheese, pepperoni, and other toppings. But if you lay all of these ingredients out here on this counter, you don't have a pizza. It's only through the process of transformation that you take that diverse set of ingredients and you transform them in a way that no one ingredient could ever hope to be alone.